Welcome to Health Fitness Yoga. Namaste, this is Mansi Gulati. Today we'll do Pranayama. Pranayama have tremendous benefits. So let's explore it, and I'm going to tell you 3 Pranayama which beginners can do. And first very important thing when we are doing pranayama, always try to sit straight, which is very important. Be in dhyan mudra, meditate your body first, close your eyes, relax yourself. Inhale deeply, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, always meditate your body is like a temple. Now we'll start pranayama. First kriya we'll do samanya kriya. Samanya kriya is very important kriya. In this kriya we only need to increase the speed of our breath. So we'll tell you how we need to do it. Keep your hand here. Inhale, exhale. Only we are increasing our speed of breath. So now just try to hold it for 10 seconds. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So this is all about samanya kriya, which is very important kriya for the cleansing also. It stimulates your nervous system, your brain. So do this kriya. This is important kriya for concentration also. Every asana or kriya we have to perform 3 times for better result. So now we'll do Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is also very important kriya. This is very good kriya for your brain, and also this is important for your abdomen also. So now we'll do it. Keep your hand here. We'll do Kapalbhati. Relax. Let's do it again. We are going to do it 3 times. So let's do it. For 20 count, 10 count, gradually you can increase it. So just close your eyes, relax yourself, relax your body. Relax. Let us do last time for the best result. Close your eyes, relax yourself. Relax. Strong exhalation, your stomach will go more inside. This is very important. It will help you to release your fat from stomach also, from your belly area also. So these kriyas are very important. Now we'll do Om kriya. Om is very important for purification, for the meditation also. So let's do Om mantra in Dhyan mudra. Close your eyes, relax yourself first. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now we'll say Om 3 times very slowly. Inhale first. Inhale. 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 Feel the vibration, feel your body from inside. Om is very important mantra. Om, A, Uma is a combination of Om. So in these 3 words, we don't use our tongue also, and this is very important. It will make you to sit in meditate position also. That what is meditation? Will tell you one more thing. Meditation, living in a present moment, is all about meditation. So it will help you to control your mind also. So do this kriyas and Om mantra. If you like our episode, do share, like and subscribe. We will come back again. Thank you.